There is a town in the US that nobody should be living in. On September 1st, 2009, the state disincorporated the town, and in a decade it lost almost 99% of its residents. What was once a thriving town, now only a few stay. But what happened? Around the area, you can see mountains of leftover material due to mining known as chat. The thing is, these piles contain toxic metals that contaminate the surrounding water and hazardous to breathe when in dust form, and after all, they were mining lead and zinc. A study found 34% of the children here suffer from lead poisoning, which potentially causes neurological problems. The town and the surrounding areas were evacuated. Today, we are going to be checking it out. What is going on, guys? So today we're in Oklahoma, the most toxic town in the US. Picture Oklahoma. So we're gonna take a look around, see what we can find. Yeah, so right now we're just driving around in the car. So this is the place that has most of the houses still left behind. Now kids would actually like play on these piles of what they call chat, leftovers from mining. And this is just all like toxic. Right now we're out here, but small doses safe, but living here constantly like it's pretty bad. Breathe in, drink the water. So this is not too bad right now what we're doing. There's a lot of mining that was happening over here. The First World War, half of the supply for lead came from here. It also benefited in World War II. So there was a lot going on here. We drove down a little bit more and you can kind of see how easy it is to pollute the water source. Look how close that mound of chat is to the river. Over time, it just seeps in and the water source is polluted. Quite a shame. You can actually see it's fishing lures. People go fishing around here. But I would not eat any of the fish in this river. It's all contaminated.
Not go fishing here. Catch and release only. Catch and release only. We're in a different town.
We see a house, so we're gonna turn back, reverse.
Hopefully they didn't see us.
Just awkward. Check out that fire hydrant. Dalmatian dog. It's kind of cool. Yeah, just being around this area, you just see like abandoned driveways, foundations. This is almost like Centralia, Pennsylvania. It's that kind of ghost town. They just like took most of everything away, all the houses. It's just like empty roads over here. It's quite insane. In 2008, an EF4 tornado rolled through Pitcher, causing destruction to around 150 homes, encouraging many to move out of town. So we did actually stumble across a couple houses over here. I'm gonna take a closer look just to see like how it was. Wow, look at that. It's all destroyed. Somewhat going into this one. It's completely destroyed. Everything's in ruins. Just left a lot of stuff behind here. What's a nest on that fan? It smells so much like mildew.
It's just mildew and mold.
Yeah. Getting out of there. What do you think about that?
I was really disheveled.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's like really bad.
Quite curious what this is. I see a couple garages over there. It's probably some service station. I have no clue. Check it out. Welcome to hell. Maybe. Oh yeah, I don't trust that floor. You actually go in one of these garages. Pushing this, will I fit? Just enough. What is this? It's a piano. Messed up, but definitely see. Definitely was one. So we just came across a baseball field over here. Ruins of one. I'm actually on the field. Just all overgrown, all taken by nature. So we actually did just pass by the high school. One thing is though, it's all fenced off like really good. And some activity going on there, so it's abandoned, but we're not gonna even try that. And for a good reason too. Pitcher is patrolled by the feds and as well as the local Indian tribe. We were lucky not to run into them, but I was warned about it. Seems like many people would drive by this town and not think anything of it, but its history definitely put it on the map. Alright guys, so we just drove up back into Kansas. This town is literally like on the border, right in Oklahoma. So, hope you guys enjoyed that little adventure. Make sure to subscribe, go on adventures all the time. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about that town. It's quite big and it's just like a lot of it's missing. Make sure to give this video a like, it helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.